Welcome to the Iris Panel Assembly Manual. In Step 1, position pieces 1 and 2 and then fit the accessory C. Position piece 4 in the indicated location and secure it with accessories E. Position the pieces 7 in the indicated locations and, using the accessory C, make the connection. Next, position the pieces 4 and secure them with the accessories E. Fix accessories I and H in the indicated locations. In Step 2, place part 6 in the indicated locations and secure them with accessories E. In Step 3, secure part 5 with accessories E. With part 3 in place, snap in accessories B, and secure them with accessories D. And finally, snap in accessory G.